हाँ बेटा थोड़ा क्वेश्चन में नेक्स्ट करने लगे हैं
32 क्वेश्चन बुक जी इसका स्टेटमेंट है
शो दैट ए सिलेंडर ऑफ गिवन वॉल्यूम and open at top has minimum surface area if its height is equal to radius of base. And you will write here let r be radius, h be height of cylinder. And now let us see what I am doing here. This is a figure of a cylinder. Its height h, radius of cylinder r. What is area of this cylinder? Is this part circle pi r square, and what is area of this pi r square? What is total area? 2 pi r square. What is circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Height h. If you cut it from here, you will get this type figure. What is this? 2 pi r. What is this height? What is area? 2 pi r h. Now you add these up. What is volume of cylinder? It will come out to be pi r square h. And what is surface area of cylinder? CYLINDER. You can write here 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If it is closed surface circle, closed cylinder, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. But he has given you open. Open at top means pi r square. Now you will write it as V. Given volume, you can find the value of. If you write the value of r, you have to put here and here. But if you write the value of h, V over pi r square, equation 1. Now you will write s equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r into V by pi r square. You will write pi r square plus 2 pi r pi cancelled, r cancelled, 2v r raised to minus 1. You will write here using 1. Now differentiate with respect to v is given r. ds over dr come out to be 2 pi r plus 2v minus 1 r raised to minus 2. It will come out to be 2 pi r minus 2v r raised to minus 2. Now differentiate with respect to r again. d2s over dr square 2 pi minus 2v minus 2r raised to minus 3 come out to be 2 pi plus 4v over r. 4. Critical point put ds over dr equal to 0. You will write 2 pi r minus 2v r raised to minus 2 0. You will write 2 pi r equal to 2v by r square. You will get v equal to r cube. Now double derivative d2s over dr square at r at v equal to r cube. And you will write 2 pi plus 4 r cube over r cube. Because no need to solve this. This is positive. Surface area is minimum at v equal to r cube. Now put in 1. We'll write here the value of v. h equal to r cube over pi r square. One mistake here. I will check. 2 pi r. What is the value of v? Pi r cube. You will write pi r cube. You will write pi. That is positive. Now you will write that pi r cube. Come out to be r. what is height is equal to radius of base, है ना. You are given show that the volume of, so that center of given volume open at top has minimum surface area if its height is equal to radius of its base. I will draw the figure. This is the figure of cylinder. It is better to draw the figure. What is this height as? Radius r. Now r be the radius, h be the height, volume pi r square h. You will find from here the value of h. Surface area, if it is closed surface area 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If it is open at top, pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If it is open from both sides, then it will be 2 pi r h. Now you will write here the value of h. Cancelling r raised to minus 1. 2 pi r minus 1 r raised to minus 2 plus minus minus differentiate again 2 pi minus 2v minus 2 r raised to minus 3. You will write 4b by r. 4 particular point, put ds over dr equal to 0. You will take it this side, 2 not to cancel, v the value pi r equal डबल पुट करेगा. मैंने v की वैल्यू फिल करी है. अगर आपने v की वैल्यू फिल नहीं करी तो यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ r. दैट विल बी v by pi power 1 by 3, which is better. We have changed the value of v. It will be positive. No need to write the value. Only this is positive. It is okay. हाँ जी. Now surface area is minimum at v equal to pi r. Now you have put this value here. Height is equal to radius. It is your answer. If you are given here, given volume 100 cubic centimeter, you will write 100, then that will be purely numerical. You will solve this on the same way you will solve it. हाँ जी. Next I will doing the part. I am writing the statement. Show that हाँ जी. क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट है, वन क्वेश्चन इन योर बुक. ए फिगर कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए सेमी सर्कल विद rectangle on its diameter given perimeter of the figure. Find the dimension so that area may be maximum. हाँ जी. You are given there, देखो, it may happen he will give you the area maximum possible area, that will be area. Given perimeter 100 centimeter, 80 centimeter, you will write solution. I am trying the figure here. This is the rectangle surmounted by semicircle. If you write here y, you will get here y. If you write here x, you will write here x by 2. But if you write here 2x, it will be x. You will write here, let y be length, 2x be length, y be height of figure. हाँ जी. What is P? P mean perimeter of figure. What is perimeter? 2x plus y plus y. Y plus 2x plus y. This radius is x. What is circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Half circle. You will write pi r यानी pi x. You will find the value of y. What is 2y equal to p minus 2 2x minus pi x, y equal to p minus 2x minus pi x by 2. Give it equation number 1. Now area of window, you will write length into breadth this portion, this is pi r square formula semicircle over. You have written here radius as x, 2x value y plus pi x square by 2 cancel, px minus 2x square minus pi x square plus pi x square by 2. Again solve it, px minus 2x square minus pi x square by 2. Now differentiate with the respect to x. So given to us perimeter area we are finding, so x is the only variable. dA over dx p minus 4x minus pi x, 2x to cancel. Differentiate with the respect to x, d2a over dx square minus 4 minus pi, p constant, 4x differentiate 4, pi x pi. For critical point put dA over dx equal to 0. Now you will write p minus 4x minus pi x 0, p equal to pi plus 4 into x, x equal to p over pi plus 4. Now you will write here double derivative, d2a over dx square at x equal to p over pi plus 4. Minus 4 minus pi. Here not x, it will be negative. Therefore, area is maximum at x equal to p over pi plus 4. I have to put in 1. Put in 1. Y equal to, if you write the value of p, what is the value of p? Pi x plus 4x minus 2x minus pi x over pi plus 4. If you write the value of x here, you have to solve it. But if you write the value of p, pi x plus 4x, you will get 2x over pi plus 4. This is find the dimension. Radius equal to p over pi plus 4. Length 2x 2p over pi plus 4. Height is equal to y equal to 2x over pi plus 4. That is your answer. There are so many parts which are example to this question. You have to on the same way. If we given here the 100, you will write here 100. You will write here 100. Then will be purely numerical question. This is length. This is breadth. If you write here x, you will write x by 2. There is no difference. Answer will be the same type. Y plus 2x plus y. This is pi x. Find the value of y. What is area length into breadth? Pi r square by 2. R is x. Put y value of y here. Cancelling, you will get it multiply px minus 2x square minus pi x square. Get it solved. Single differentiate p minus 4x minus 2 pi x by 2 pi x. Again differentiate 0 minus 4 minus pi. For critical point put d over dx 0, you will write the value of p. Then x. d2 by a over d2 dx square. d2 over dx square x equal to p by pi plus 4. This will be negative. Mean area is maximum. Put in 1. I have put here the value of p pi x plus 4x here. Cancelling 2x by. What is radius? Pi over p over pi plus 4. What is length? 2x. What is height? Y.